Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OpenSearch dashboards, analyze logs and metrics step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type the URL for your OpenSearch dashboards instance in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the login page. Once the login page loads, locate the username and password fields. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password into the password field. For security purposes, ensure that your password is entered correctly. If your organization requires any additional authentication, follow those instructions now. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for the OpenSearch dashboards interface to load. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. You will see multiple options such as logs and metrics on your left-hand sidebar. Click on the Logs option to begin analyzing your log data. Here you can filter logs based on various parameters like time range and log. To analyze metrics, click on the Metrics option in the sidebar. Select the desired metrics to visualize your data. You can customize your dashboard by adding specific visualizations. Explore different views and features to fully utilize OpenSearch dashboards. Utilize the search functionality to find specific entries quickly. If needed, consult additional resources for more advanced features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.